Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.
Police facilities are not junkyards and must not be turned to one. Indeed, such acts create vulnerabilities which often engender attacks on our facilities accordingly. I task you to return to your commands and take care of a major operation to clear all such indiscriminately impounded vehicles of your stations. The compliance of this directive shall be confirmed in the course of my ongoing tours to your commands, and any departmental head, zonal commander, commissioner of police, or unit head that is found wanting will be dealt with. I have also received reports of the abuses associated with the use of SPY plate numbers and the tinted glasses. For the avoidance of doubt, SPY plate numbers are for official use of some categories of corporate bodies, while tinted glasses permits are issued under some statutory regulations. Unfortunately, several individuals have of late turned the use of SPY plate numbers and tinted glasses into a status symbol and have fraudulently obtained such. There have been also reports that some criminal elements are also utilizing them as cover for their nefarious activities. Accordingly, henceforth the insurance of SPY plate numbers and tinted glasses permits are hereby suspended. The existing authorisations are being reviewed and a protocol to regulate the issuance of such permits will be evolved. In due course, an enforcement mechanism that will enforce the standardized process of issuance of SPY plate numbers and tinted glasses will be implemented across the country. The Nigerian Police will work closely with the leadership of the Federal Road Safety Commission in this regard. An emerging trend in which some motorists cover their plate numbers has also been noticed across the country. This practice inhibits our law enforcement operations and hence is intolerable. Consequently, commissioners of police are tasked to, as part of their operation, to arrest any motorists involved in this regard. In line with my speech during the launch of Operation Restore Peace, all commissioners of police across the country are to review and strengthen security around all command headquarters and other police stations in their jurisdictions with a view to deterring and repelling any attempt to attack such facilities. Nigerian police assets are critical national security assets which must be defended against insurrections and arsonists as provided for in Section 33, Subsection 2, A to C of the Nigerian Constitution. Furthermore, I have been receiving reports that some commissioners of police are still allowing the mounting of roadblocks in their jurisdiction. For the avoidance of doubt, roadblocks under any description or guise remain banned across the country, and any officer found to be contravening this order will be held liable and dealt with firmly. The society has evolved. As law enforcement operatives, we must align our policing strategies to these social dynamics, particularly at this time that our policing functions are being built on community policing model in which the citizen interests are prioritized. Roadblocks as a policing model is becoming obsolete and unacceptable. Hence, we are working towards enhancing our intelligence-led and technology-driven policing capacity, as well as strengthening the safer highway modernized patrol scheme as an alternative to roadblocks. Therefore, you are tasked to ensure that deployments within your commands are reviewed and your operations align to this new policing approach, which discourages the disposition to limiting the liberty of citizens through roadblocks, which are known to be avenues for corrupt tendencies and other vices that widen the trust gap between the citizen and the police.